Welcome back, geometry students. We're going to go ahead and continue on this series of Unit 2 study guide videos. We're going to go ahead and look at these two problems together. They're part of the same question, so we're going to be looking at them. It says draw parallelogram ABCD. If angle A measures 83 degrees, what is the measure of angle C? So that's our first question. So I have to draw my parallelogram in the order my letters were given. So if A is first, well, first of all, a parallelogram should look something like this. What does it mean to be a parallelogram? Does anyone remember? I highly suggest you look at your notes. But in case you didn't get time to look at your notes, ooh, hold on, the sirens are going by. There we go. I think they're leaving. They couldn't find my evil location, but shh. Keep it down. All right, so it says that this is parallelogram ABCD. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this is A. I have to follow the order, so this next one is B. If I go downwards, this one's gonna be C, and then this is gonna be D. I don't care which way you label it, as long as you keep the same order of the letters once you label your parallelogram. You gotta keep it the same way. If you're going to the right, you got to keep it going to the right and then down and then to the left. But if you're going to the left, you're going to go, sorry, you're going to go down. So you go down, to the right, up, and to the left, okay? So it doesn't matter, but as long as you get the right sequence, okay? So now it says, if angle A measures 83 degrees, what would be the measure of angle C? What would be the measure of angle C? Well, remember, we had said that one of our parallelogram conjectures was that opposite sides of parallelograms or opposite parts of parallelograms are congruent. So if A is equal to 83 degrees, C is also equal to 83 degrees, okay? So we found out that angle C is 83 degrees. So now that we know C is 83 and A is 83, the next question reads, find angle B of parallelogram ABCD. So we need to find angle B. Now we're being to find this angle B. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this X from right here. And I'm going to replace it with the 83. And now I'm finding this angle B. All right. So if I know A is 83 degrees and B is some random degrees, the way that I'm going to figure that out is I'm going to ask myself, well, how many degrees are on a line? Well, if you don't know the answer to that question, I'll give you the answer. There are 180 degrees in a line, okay? So if I know that there's 180 degrees in a line, all I have to do to find angle B, I have to take 180 minus 83, and I should get a whopping 97 degrees. 97 degrees is my answer. So angle B measures 97 degrees. All right, so that is my answer for the second part of the study guide. All right, class. So I will see you in the next video.